YouTube? I'm back with another one, man. And while you right here watching the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You already know the routine. It's free, it's painless as always, and to help the channel grow, man. So today we got a video. It's a car show in my city, and I want to show y'all something devastating right before the car show. Right before the car show. Why me, man? Why me? I'm gonna show y'all what happened. Boom. Can y'all know what's going on? Do y'all see what's going on? Do you see what happened? I am hurt. Look at this. Look at this, man. Half of my splitter came off. How? I do not know. I don't know. I don't know if it was already loose and we was in Mexico and we was going at some high speeds, and I don't know if the wind just caught it right and ripped half of it off or what, but I didn't even hear it, man. And my side marker light popped off, and half of my damn spoiler ripped off on the highway in Mexico, man. So before I get ready to go down to the car show, man, look, took the rest of it off. I guess it don't look terrible without it, but it definitely looked very noticeable, you know, because I'm so used to having it, and you can kind of see where it was rubbing on the paint. I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like without it. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready, cut the camera back on when I get to the car show, man. All right, YouTube, so we just got here, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little scene what we got going on while I'm driving through. What's up? You a little scenery, man, of what we got going on. We got this is my boy C8 right here. Yeah, this is my boy C8. This who having a car show out here. This his car show. He ain't even here. He just parked it. He'd be back. Look at that. Yes, sir. These mugs nice, man. I like them rims on there too with that color. See the Cadillac, supercharged, look, trunk, supercharged Cadillac.
Ripped off the thing underneath his car. That
this looks nice.
They call it. Like a windy.
This go crazy right here though. These rims go crazy. I like them. Nice Silverado. What you got?
Just the 5.7 Hemi.
5.7 Hemi?
Yeah.
Look good.
All-wheel drive though. So,
ooh.
Because it's ex-state trooper.
That's crazy. You do anything under the hood? Just stock? More cosmetics?
Mostly cosmetic right now. I got a catch can, and I put a Hellcat airbox in here, so I got that front air pipe that's blowing air from up. So these are like, I want to say they're the ones that normally go on the 392.
Yeah.
Scat pack or whatever.
Yeah, gotta be.
But they had it custom cut for this, so they could put it on the 5.7.
Come on now. Got the nice Scat Pack. Y'all go see him with us though. Long sleeve on the Ruchis. That mug cold. That's probably gonna be my next car, man. You know what I mean? Get the Z06, black Z06 on some gold rims, you feel me? That's a rose gold too. That's probably gonna be my next thing. I like that. You know my car. With my unsplitter ass. It's nice. Clean. That's clean right here, man. School Suburban. So this you right here, man?
Yes.
What year is it?
95.
95?
This dinosaurs.
Yeah, this mug clean.
Old as hell.
Clean though, that's what I'm saying. That means something.
Yeah. And yeah,
92 this clean.
Family. Yep.
That's
my mom and
what's
daddy
up.
getaway truck.
Yeah. This mug nice. Big boy wheels too.
24s on 35.
Ooh.
Brand new suspension, brand new everything.
This mug nice.
My nephew
bro.
say all the time that you got that truck looking like you climb a mountain, but you won't drive it down the alley.
Oh, it's a nice Caprice too.
Gorgeous. I like
that.
the dedication to this That's nice to
Ooh.
a sister. Camaro.
Oh man, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, rest in peace to her, man. That's cool. I like that. But yeah, man, you seen bro car. Oh, y'all ain't seen this one, man. I couldn't upload the last video I did because the video quality was too dark. But if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely done seen bro car already. The gold wrap. 4G, sitting on the 4Gs. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Bro got the red interior. Yeah, another Cadillac over here sitting on the Ruchis. V8. Sitting on the Ruchis. Smell clean right here, man. I like this, bro. It's nice. It's nice. Got the North Star in there, V8. Come on now, don't sleep. Don't sleep on the North Star. It's a little Chucky. It's crazy right here. This you right here, bro? Is you?
Nah, my baby mama.
Supercharged. That boy crazy.
Border. Just like this. Well, I got work done with the engine. How many horse? I got 650 to the wheels on 93.
Ooh.
It depends if the car likes the gas.
You run the 85 too?
No, not yet. It's built for race field 112.
Why you don't run the racing field for it?
Because it costs like $120.
Oh, I already know that.
All right, bro.
I know what it costs.
$120 for 5 gallons.
Damn.
Yeah, that's what I run.
Yeah,
That's what I tell you when I go to Cal.
Yeah, my boy right here, Deshaun Oliver, man. Go subscribe. You know that? Got a Cutlass right here, man. This mug clean right here. Got his partner in crime with him. Got the partner in crime. Sniff, don't scratch. This mug nice right here, man. Hey. This my man's car. I actually just met him yesterday. He got, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted it. He got a 72 Cutlass, the cleanest 72 Cutlass I ever seen. He got that, and he got a, I think he told me he got a vet, an old school vet too. But he got some different kind of cars, man. Oh, here go a Cutlass right here. This mug clean. This boy nice right here. Look at this, man. I think this his. Yeah, it is. Oh, he got both his cars out here. Yeah, I posted this on my story yesterday. If you follow me, the 72 Cutlass, and he got the SS. Yeah, man. He got a few different options. You ain't losing. Ooh. Oh yeah. No, ain't no stock intake on that.
No, it's not stock.
Yeah.
You know, got the cold air intake on there.
Yeah. Can
Got the
in.
cans in it, so.
So what? I got the headers.
Yeah.
Got the,
Yep, got the lime.
that boy nasty. See, man, we out having a good time, man. Everybody come together. All peace, no bull stuff. All good vibes, showing their cars. Good car show. It's turning out to be very successful, man. The support of Dex and Soup, man, had to come out here and support the city. The city came out. We having a good time. That's dog that was at the lake. He told me he gonna be. Y'all see Pops just pulled up. Z51 boy. Falling out the Cadillac.
Oh yeah.
This the 5.7?
Oh yeah, just a little
Little something. What else you got done? See the cold air intake.
Yeah, it's just a little 5.7.
You got something done.
Yeah, you got something you can tell.
You got something
Just a little
done.
humble. You check it out. You look at that.
I'm trying to look for them headers. I'm trying to look for them headers.
Yeah, go on, peek down there.
Yeah, I'm trying to see some.
It's tight in there, bro.
It is tighter here.
It's tight in there. That's a lot of motor in there. They put it in there though.
Yeah, it's definitely tight.
You gotta go crazy on that. How fast you had it up to?
160 last night.
When
Yeah.
you broke your shit, everything.
That was last night. Put it in track mode. Yes. It's in track mode now. Woo. Let me see one more time. This motherfucker, I ain't never. You say what? Ooh, this mud. Yeah, this is a spaceship. This is a spaceship. Look at this. Yeah, this is a real cockpit, y'all. Look at this. This some rich shit. This some rich shit. I look good in this, don't I? I look good in this.
21s in the front, 27s in the back.
That mug go crazy, man. This mug crazy. But I'm in this video here, man. It was a good time, good little video for the car meet. I ain't posted nothing in like 2 weeks, and that's unacceptable, so I had to drop something. This little car meet, everybody heading home though, man. I appreciate everybody for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. It's free, it's painless as always. Y'all know the routine, man. Go crazy. Till next time.